Are you wondering how seniors manage to keep their homes effortlessly spotless without feeling overwhelmed? Well, you're not alone. Many seniors have discovered time-tested habits that make maintaining a clean home feel like second nature. Whether it's starting the day with a quick tidying routine or keeping up with daily cleaning tasks, these simple habits can help you live in a clean and comfortable space without stress. And the best part? It's all about creating routines that make sense, are easy to follow, and don't require hours of work. Want to learn how to transform your home into a peaceful haven with minimal effort? Stick around. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips and wisdom for effortless living. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Start the day with a simple morning routine. One of the most effective habits for seniors to maintain a spotless home is starting the day with a simple morning routine. This habit doesn't require much time, just 10 to 15 minutes, but it sets the tone for the rest of the day. The key is to focus on basic tasks like making the bed, putting away personal items, and quickly wiping down counters or tables. These small actions help create a sense of order and cleanliness right from the start. By making the bed each morning, seniors can instantly create a neat and inviting space, reducing the temptation to leave things scattered throughout the day. Wiping down kitchen counters or bathroom sinks prevents buildup and ensures a fresh, clean environment. The simplicity of these tasks makes them easy to do every day, without much effort, while the impact they have on the overall cleanliness of the home is profound. Not only does this habit keep things tidy, but it also creates a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction early in the day, which can boost mood and motivation. Consistency is the key to making this morning routine a habit, and over time, it will become second nature, making the whole home feel more organized and cared for. Lesson 2. Maintain a decluttered space. Keeping a decluttered space is another essential habit for seniors who wish to maintain a spotless home with minimal effort. Clutter can accumulate quickly, especially when items are left around without a designated spot. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to decluttering, seniors can prevent their home from becoming overwhelmed with items. The idea is to tackle small messes regularly rather than waiting for them to pile up. One way to do this is by setting aside a few minutes each day to focus on a specific area of the home, whether it's the kitchen counter, living room, or bathroom. Seniors can use a simple method like the one-touch rule, where each item is only handled once and immediately put in its proper place. Keeping a small basket or container in each room for quick storage can also help. When something is out of place, it can go straight into the basket to be dealt with later. This small but effective habit prevents clutter from taking over, keeping rooms looking tidy and feeling less stressful. Additionally, maintaining a decluttered space can make cleaning easier, as there are fewer things to move around. By incorporating this habit into daily life, seniors can create a calm, organized environment that's easy to maintain. Lesson 3. Regularly wipe down surfaces. A fundamental part of keeping a home spotless is ensuring that surfaces are regularly wiped down. This simple task only takes a few minutes each day but has a significant impact on the overall cleanliness of the home. For seniors, wiping down surfaces like kitchen counters, tables, and bathroom sinks is an easy and quick way to prevent dirt, dust, and grime from accumulating. In the kitchen, food particles and spills can create sticky messes that attract more dirt and bacteria. By wiping counters after meal preparation, seniors can prevent this buildup, making the kitchen easier to clean and safer to use. In bathrooms, sinks and countertops can collect soap scum, toothpaste, and dust. A quick wipe down every day prevents these substances from hardening, making them easier to clean in the long run. The habit of wiping surfaces regularly also helps to reduce allergens in the home, making the environment healthier. For seniors, using non-toxic, gentle cleaners is essential to avoid harsh chemicals that can be harmful. The more consistently this task is done, the less likely it is that dirt will accumulate and require more intensive cleaning later. By making this habit part of the daily routine, seniors can keep their home looking fresh and clean with minimal effort. Lesson 4. Stay on top of laundry. Doing a load of laundry every day or every other day is a crucial habit for seniors who want to keep their homes clean and organized. One of the biggest challenges in maintaining cleanliness is dealing with the constant flow of laundry. Waiting until the weekend to tackle a mountain of clothes can feel overwhelming and time-consuming. However, by doing laundry regularly, seniors can stay on top of it and prevent piles of clothes from accumulating in every corner of the house. Setting a daily or every other day schedule for washing clothes ensures that laundry doesn't become a daunting task. It also prevents clothes from sitting in baskets, creating clutter and taking up valuable space. The process can be simplified by using lightweight laundry baskets that are easy to move around. Sorting clothes as you go and keeping a small container for dirty items in each room can make this habit even easier. Moreover, seniors can take advantage of modern washing machines with settings that require less physical effort, making the task more manageable. Folding clothes as soon as they come out of the dryer or air drying them immediately also helps to maintain an organized space. By staying on top of laundry, seniors can ensure that their homes remain clutter-free and fresh at all times. Lesson 5. Use the 10-minute rule. A simple but effective habit for keeping the home clean is the 10-minute rule. Setting a timer for just 10 minutes each evening to tidy up a room or specific area can make a huge difference in maintaining a spotless home. Often, the thought of spending hours cleaning can be overwhelming, but committing to just 10 minutes of focused effort is manageable and less stressful. This habit helps to prevent messes from piling up over time. Whether it's the living room, kitchen, or bathroom, dedicating a few minutes each evening to straightening up can make a huge impact. Seniors can use this time to quickly pick up stray items, put things back in their proper places, and wipe down surfaces that have gathered dust throughout the day. The key is to stay focused and not get distracted. By making this a daily habit, the home stays looking tidy without much effort. The 10-minute rule not only makes cleaning feel more achievable, but it also creates a sense of accomplishment at the end of the day. A tidy home leads to a more relaxed environment, and by sticking to this short, consistent routine, seniors can enjoy a spotless space with minimal hassle. Lesson 6. Involve regular dusting and vacuuming. Regular dusting and vacuuming are essential habits for keeping a home spotless and comfortable. For seniors, dust and dirt can accumulate quickly, especially in high-traffic areas like the living room, hallways, and kitchen. Daily or every other day dusting and vacuuming keep allergens under control, improve air quality, and contribute to a fresh, clean environment. This task doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. Seniors can use lightweight, easy-to-handle vacuums and dusters that don't strain the body. A quick dusting of surfaces like shelves, tables, and countertops can be done in just a few minutes, helping to remove dust buildup before it settles. Vacuuming high-traffic areas, such as rugs and carpets, also helps to keep floors clean and free from debris. If bending down is difficult, seniors can opt for handheld vacuums or robotic vacuums that automatically clean floors. Regular dusting and vacuuming not only contribute to the overall cleanliness of the home but also reduce allergens, making the space healthier to live in. By incorporating this habit into a daily routine, seniors can easily maintain a spotless home with minimal effort. A clean, dust-free environment promotes overall well-being and a sense of pride in one's living space. Conclusion. Maintaining a spotless home doesn't have to be overwhelming, especially for seniors. By incorporating simple daily habits such as starting the day with a quick routine, decluttering, wiping surfaces, staying on top of laundry, using the 10-minute rule, and regular dusting and vacuuming, seniors can easily keep their homes clean and comfortable. These habits, inspired by traditional wisdom, are not only practical but also contribute to a healthier, more organized living space. Consistency is key, and by making these tasks part of daily life, seniors can enjoy an effortlessly tidy home with minimal effort and stress.